The following program is a production of Hō'ike Kauai Community Media. The Hō'ike Weekly has been made possible in part by the Rice Street Business Association and Kauai Family Magazine. Aloha, Kauai. This week, we may see a lot more action than we expect. Hurricane Kiko is making its way toward the island, and that could mean some unplanned bad weather for us. But we're still going to show you what is planned for next week while you get those emergency prepared kits together. Because, well, you just never know. A couple concerts, a couple art exhibits, and even a coronation adds to the excitement next week. The Kauai County Agency on Elderly Affairs has a few things planned for Kupuna this week and the entire month of September, actually. So we'll go over that in our Community Connections segment. We've organized it all for you, so you don't have to worry. I'm Tricia Allen, and this is the Hō'ike Weekly. As I'm sure you've probably heard by now, a hurricane named Kiko is making its way toward Hawaii and could impact our island as early as next week. Forecasts as of today, September 5th, show Kiko will likely weaken into a tropical storm by then, but heavy rain, gusty winds, rough surf, and possible flooding are still expected Tuesday into Wednesday. The Kauai Emergency Management Agency is reminding everyone that it's always better to be ready before the weather turns, and that a good emergency kit is essential and should contain a 2-week supply of food and water, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, any necessary medications, along with copies of your prescriptions. Add in first aid supplies, hygiene items, and a whistle, and everything can be kept in a sturdy container or rolling cooler. That's easy to grab if needed. Staying prepared now will make a huge difference once Kiko gets closer. All right, well, besides Hurricane Kiko, we've got some other things scheduled on our community calendar, and we want you to be able to look up the details even after the show. In order to do that, we've made a special website for you that contains links to additional info on everything we cover in today's episode. Getting there is easy. Just click the tiny URL link in our show notes and bingo bango. You'll have all the details you need. That said, here's all of Kauai's upcoming events from September 8th to September 14th. September 9th is the second Tuesday of the month, and that means it's Puppy Hour at Līhu. The Kauai Humane Society will be on site at 4286 Rice Street with adorable and, more importantly, adoptable puppies to snuggle and play with from 11 a.m. till 1 p.m. This event is not only incredibly cute, it's also open to the public and no registration is required. Melvin Seals and JGB will take the stage at the Porter Pavilion in Kilauea on Friday, September 12th and Saturday, September 13th. Doors will open at 5:30 p.m. with music beginning at 6:30 p.m. Known for their high-energy mix of blues, funk, rock, jazz, and gospel, the group continues to carry the spirit of Jerry Garcia Band. These performances are part of Nainoho's Concerts with a Cause series, with proceeds supporting the Lokahi program. New Orleans musician Matt Lemler will bring New Orleans in stride to St. Michael's Church in Līhu on Friday, September 12th at 7 p.m. The following evening, September 13th at 7 p.m., a sacred concert featuring the Book of Psalms will take place. The weekend will conclude with a jazz mass on Sunday, September 14th at 10 a.m. The Saturday concert and Sunday mass will be open to the public, and a reception will follow in the parish hall. The Kauai Society of Artists will present its annual juried art exhibition, Art Kauai 2025, at the KSA Gallery in Līhu. The opening reception will take place on Friday, September 12th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The exhibition will then run from September 13th through October 24th with daily hours from noon to 6 p.m. and until 7 p.m. on Fridays. This showcase will feature work from across the island's visual arts community, including painting, sculpture, photography, fiber, and ceramics. The Kauai Filipino Community Council will host the installation of its newly elected council for 2025 through 2027, along with an awards banquet on Friday, September 12th at the Royal Sonesta Hotel Ballroom. Doors will open at 6 p.m. The evening will also feature the coronation of the new Miss Kauai Filipina, Sierralyn Tolentino, who will succeed the crown as first runner-up. Mistress of the evening will be Miss Hawaii Filipina 2025, Kiani Garcia. This celebration will honor leadership, community, and culture. On the second Saturday of every month, the Rice Street Business Association holds their Kress Street Night Market in downtown Līhu. This month's event takes place on September 13th with all the local crafts, food, and entertainment you can handle. A local art showcase titled Portraits will be presented at Santiago's in Kapa on Saturday, September 13th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Works by Santiago Soto, Trevor Romaine, Diane Hartley, Laura Lorraine, and Isa Maria will be on display. The evening will feature refreshments and live music curated by Hanalei Art Gallery. Did you know that September is National Healthy Aging Month? Yep, that's right. And the Kauai Agency on Elderly Affairs is taking the whole entire month to celebrate. They help kupuna in Kauai in a great number of ways with some really great programs. Program coordinator Johnny Yago sat down with us this week to talk about the AEA's program on healthy aging and how it uses two services to give kupuna a comprehensive way to stay healthy and live their best life. Hō'ike's been making those community connections so we can share them with you. Take a look. And
I'm not going to look at you there.
okay, don't look at me.
Okay.
Aloha, everyone. My name is Tricia Allen, and sitting to my left is Johnny Yago. He is with the Agency on Elderly Affairs, which serves kupuna on the island of Kauai. Now, the AEA has several programs to help our kupuna, but Johnny, you're specifically the program specialist for...
Program specialist for the healthy aging programs that we have at our agency.
Oh, all right. So the healthy aging programs, can you give us a quick overview about what it is you folks do?
Sure. We'll talk about the first one that we do, which is called Better Choices, Better Health. It's a self-management program that help 60 years and older manage their healthy lifestyle. It is first developed through Stanford University, and it's 6 sessions, 2.5 hours, and we meet to interact and talk about different self-management tools like exercise and healthy eating, and also creating small goals. This type of healthy lifestyle will help manage different chronic conditions like arthritis, heart problems, or even like emphysema.
Wow. It's really great that the Agency on Elderly Affairs sponsors a program that helps our kupuna better manage the chronic conditions like emphysema. So you offer workshops?
Yes. So these workshops, we have it island-wide.
Okay.
It's 2.5 hours for 6 sessions. And right now we're planning to do different workshops at different neighborhood centers, starting maybe North Shore area.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then you work like all the way around the island? Is that how it goes?
Yes. So we do have a website with all of our list of events calendar that we can put down below.
Yeah, we love that. So the website is right here. And that's going to give everybody information on workshops you have coming up, where they are, how to register, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Right?
So all of these can be found at the website, and we have different types of self-management workshops that we do. One can be done over the phone.
Oh, that's handy.
We also have one virtually and also in person. Our most popular format is having in-person interactions in a group. Yeah.
So we have the website, obviously, where people can go to get more information, but is there a phone number that they can call?
Yes. So they can call our office with the Agency on Elderly Affairs. It's 808-241-4898.
And who should they ask for? Should they ask for you?
They can ask for me. Yes.
Okay. And your name is Johnny Yago, program specialist.
Yes.
Do they need to give your official title, or is everybody going to know who you are?
Everybody will know who I am.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
All right. Now, before we end the segment and move on to talk about the Enhanced Fitness class, which is another program you have, is there anything that you'd like to add?
Yes. So a lot of the feedback that we have from the self-management workshops is because it's a lot of interaction. It's very peer-led. So a lot of the participants are also dealing with chronic conditions. So it's a time for them to share, talk story, get out of the house, which is very important. And also maybe share ideas, because sometimes having to deal with a health condition can be lonely. So if you have peers that have similar conditions, it might be helpful.
It's a bit of a social event as well, isn't it?
And putting in healthy habits does take time. So having those small goals, small action plans, and helping each other is basically the highlight.
Yeah, and holding each other accountable too, just to be like, hey, did you do that? I did that.
Yeah, that can be fun.
Yeah.
And tough at the same time.
All right, now it's time to talk about another successful senior program called Enhanced Fitness. Johnny, would you provide our audience with an overview on the Enhanced Fitness program?
Sure. Our Enhanced Fitness program is an exercise program for seniors 60 years and older. And what they do is they meet at the different neighborhood centers to work on exercise that are low aerobics, that is focused on improving strength, balance, and flexibility. They do movements that help with their activities of daily life. So whether it be picking up groceries, stepping over that bathtub, or even trying to catch a fall, right? A lot of the times surfaces are uneven, so it's good to have that flexibility and balance to catch yourself and prevent injury from falls.
So it's not just, pumping iron and running on a treadmill. It's actually physical movement that they can use.
Yeah. So it's very pragmatic, very practical. So some of the movements will help strengthen the arms and the legs. We also have people work on their agility and balance. So if there are times when you go on vacation, for example, you have the endurance to, stay in Vegas and have fun there and have the stamina to do that.
We all know kupuna who love Vegas.
But in the long run, it's evidence-based program. So a lot of the movements that has been proven to work help with overall health. So
practice pulling the slots.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Lifting the fork. No, I'm just kidding too. But all in all, having the way the movement is like medicine. So it's preventing all these other things that could happen. And it, like our segment before, talking about better choices, better health, this is like a way to get more active and physically fit. And also having socialization, because it is fun when you do it with other participants, and it's designed for older adults, but I think all ages should keep moving and be active.
Yeah, the sooner you keep moving, the better you'll be when you hit 60, right?
Yes, start early in good habits now.
Yeah. So these are classes. When do these classes take place?
Sure. Our classes are 3 times during the week for 1 hour. And during that 1 hour, they do different types of things like warm up and aerobics and strength training, and all the while doing balance and flexibility. There's also these nifty weights or cuffs that go around your wrists and ankles.
Nice.
So participants have some weight bearing and strength training there. The instructors are really important. They have support from our master trainer, Kaua, to do all the different type of enhanced fitness protocols that needs to be done, making sure it's kept safe and everybody in class has a good workout.
Good, so they're safe and they're supervised and they're social. so they can make some friends in class.
Yes.
Is the website a good place to go to get information on those classes as well?
You see below too, you can get information about enhanced fitness as well. Or you could call me, and my number is 808-241-4898. Just ask for Johnny, and then I can get you more information about the classes.
Your phone's going to be ringing off the hook.
Yes.
Now, I know you know this, but maybe the audience doesn't. September is National Healthy Aging Month and Senior Center Month. Johnny, would you tell our audience about a proclamation event that's coming up?
Yes, we're doing a National Healthy Aging Month and Senior Center Month proclamation on September 24th on Wednesday at 10 a.m. at the Rotunda at the county. So it's open to the public. There'll be a little bit of information there, and basically we just want to showcase all the work that all of our participants are putting in.
Oh, so all the kupuna from the programs, anybody who has kupuna that they care about, all those people can attend?
Yes, all of them can attend the proclamation.
All right, so we got healthy aging and we've got enhanced fitness. Is there anything else that you'd like to tell us about before we go?
No, since it is National Healthy Aging Month, I just want to make sure everybody's motivated to keep active. Develop those healthy habits, and if you need any help, call our office for our senior programs.
Give us a number one more time.
Sure. You can call Johnny Yago, and my phone number is 808-241-4898.
And of course, the website, as always.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming in. This is really great information, and happy Healthy Aging Month to all of the kupuna out there on Kauai. Do you have any closing comments?
Oh, I feel like I talked enough.
No, I think you were good. All right, Kauai, that's all the Hō'ike we have for you this week. Don't forget to scan our QR code to get more info about any of the events we covered in today's episode. Be sure to get that emergency kit put together, and we'll catch you next week after everything has blown over. Thanks for watching. I'm Tricia Allen, wishing you love and aloha. Allegra Gaines is Hō'ike's president and CEO, while Leko Sameta is the administrative assistant. Smita Narong handles production and education services. Max Richardson also handles production, but IT services as well. Tricia Allen is Hō'ike's news and events producer, and Olivia Franco is our county producer and social media manager. We also have an intern. Her name is Kaylee Lee. Hō'ike Kauai Community Media's president and CEO is Allegra Gaines. Administrative assistant, Leko Sameta. Production and education services by Roger Olson. Production and IT services by Max Richardson. News and events producer, Tricia Allen. County producer and social media manager, Olivia Franco.